everyone. So this is our entrance area and I'm planning to redo it. So let's get started. First I'm gonna show you how this exactly looks like. Okay, this is the staircase entry that people who come to our house hardly use. And say hi to Caddy. Hi. First I'm going to take all of the decoration that I have already put and clean those spider webs. Hello. Meow. So I sweep the floor, dusted the walls, and I guess I should wash them with water. See, it's a rented apartment, so I want to do so many things, but again I think, why? I mean, if I wish, I could change this dirty floor, but nobody is gonna reimburse that money to us, so why? So हम अभी उतने में ही काम चलाएंगे जितना हमारे पास है. Say hi. So अभी तक मैंने धोने वाली चीज़ें धो दी हैं, फ्लोर भी धो दिया बाहर का, और जो भी मेरे पास 2-3 आर्ट पीस थे वो भी धो दिए. Let's see. And I'm planning to paint this in golden color, or maybe not. Let's see. The entry that you saw. As you can see, I washed the floor. The floor condition is not very good, but because whenever there is any construction, they mix the cement here for some reason. Now I'm gonna show you what planters did I buy yesterday. These are the planters that you can actually hang in the stand. I washed this stand and I'm gonna install it on that particular wall. Oopsie daisies. Oops. Well, I'm a little confused. Shall I use the plant stand that I already have, that I use indoors, or the planter stand that you can vertically hang on the wall? So let's see. Okay, so at last I'm convinced that this stand should go here. डाल दिए थे ऑलरेडी, अब मेरे को निकालने पड़े क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस पहले आप इसको प्लांट को लगा लो। हाँ
नर्सरी बना रही है ना? नर्सरी बना रही है। छोटी कम है
अंदर है।
अच्छा खेल रही है।
So shall I put these plants here or shall I put them here? So I am not done yet. There are still finishing touches, and I tried to hang these stand, but it fell down and made all the mess. So I'm gonna clean it and start tomorrow again because I'm so tired. And now I am going to change the color of this gate. Let's make it pretty. Okay, I painted the first coat. I know it's not looking very pro, but I hope it will be good after 2 or 3 coats. I'm using Berger paints. Ouch. High gloss. Okay, so here is the result. Hopefully मेरे को सिर्फ एक और कोट एक्स्ट्रा करना पड़ा. I mean 2 coats of this blue paint and the door is done. Look how glossy it looks. Yeah. So it's day 3 of the makeover and I'm going to paint this table as a seating table outside of this entrance.
For 5 minutes.
So I've done the primer and later I'll put some more paint coats. Now let it dry for some time and then I'll paint again. I also have this new Michi. This is worn out, so I'm gonna paint this golden. Only this one. And this one is very close to my heart because this is the first ever nameplate that we got, and it is made to order. One of my friend's wife made it and I absolutely adore this. So these were the planters stand that I could not hang, but I got an idea and I painted them golden and I'll use them as a decor piece. Isn't it great? So we are almost done. I'm just gonna add something in here, maybe art piece or something. Let's see. Hey guys, so we are done. It took me 3 days, 3 hours, so almost 9 hours painting and everything. So we are done. So I'm gonna show you.
Enjoy the video.